Hey guys, today we will be doing development in a favorite programming language Rust. So far, I have done this step 1, like storing the coordinates in XYZ variables and storing the Z value in the Z vector. You can refer to this repository for reference. Now starting with pretty much I open the file and here I'm checking the kind of possible error can get if the file is not there. First of all, the file is in root directory and yeah, that's the file. And then I'm creating a new buffer reader, reading the lines and skipping the first line because we've got the value of the atomic number. Yeah, and then iterating over that lines, splitting the white spaces, storing all that values in the variables and printing it. And yeah, till now we have done this much. So what's next? Step 2, bond lengths. Calculate the entire atomic distance using the expression. We got the expression where x, y and z are Cartesian coordinates and I and j denote atomic indices. Okay, so we have to calculate the bond length, and that is done by the difference of the x values, adding it with y and z and taking the square root of it. So for that, let's define a new function. Let's name it as bond length. Finding bond length, and it will return I32 integer. That's how we return functions. Mismatch type expected I30 found a unit. If you don't know guys, this value is called as unit in Rust. So let's start by defining value of r. Let's define it like this. I'll first like to get rid of that error, like annoying error. I don't like it. So yeah, of every I and j value, you have to find differences, I and j denote atomic indices. Okay, so if you get confused what does I and j means, it's nothing but we'll be having two different file. That file, this is the atomic indices and these are its value. So I haven't stored this value, to be honest, in anything. Dimension, extending the molecule class, like creating a different packages and storing all this value in it, like creating a molecule and then storing the coordinates of it in that class. So I think I should begin with creating a package. I think that's what we call in Rust, managing and going projects with packages, credits and modules. Yeah, so let's start from creating a packages. So how do we create a package? Managing creating the smallest amount of code. Yeah, I remember. So I think create is the root of the project directory. From there onwards we get the access of rest of the thing. So we can start it by doing should we make a folder molecule, and inside that folder create a file molecule.rs. That's how it looks right now. Yeah, so let's start by shifting this function in that molecules. First let's be sure that I can compile the function right. Here I'm getting the error like I have never used this, which is fine. Use create molecule. Start how you include it. Unresolved part, no molecule in the root. Quick reference on how modules pass and the use keyword and epoch keyword work in the compiler. Organize that code. When compiling a create, the compiler first looks in the create root. Declare any you can declare new modules. Say you declare a garden module with mode garden. I will look for the modules code in these places. Okay. Let's see. So we are declaring pub mod vegetables, which will be seen in the vegetable files of the garden. Like, is that how we create class now? Yeah.
Complete. Hello.
So
अभी खाना भी नहीं खाया, देखो पागल हो गए। जब मम्मी आएगी खाना भी नहीं मिलेगा तब पगल गिर के लगी मन कर